20 beautiful plants that grow without sunlight. But still you can have indoor garden full of plants. We will show you at least 20 plants that do not require direct sunlight. They are easy to grow and maintain indoors. Most of these plants require only bright light, but can tolerate lower light conditions. There is no need of direct sunlight. They prefer simply moist, but no waterlogged soil. They require a balanced and water-soluble fertilizer once in a month. They can sometimes be affected by mealybugs or spider mites. If necessary, you can use an insecticidal soap or neem oil to control them.